So here we could take a closer look at how insulation is encapsulated around the clips so that that have low thermal conductivity. And this gives you a very high degree of thermal performance. So continuous insulation around the building envelope plus incorporating cladding support systems that use materials with low thermal conductivity offer us the best and most effective thermal performance. And the orientation is going to depend on many factors. Some of it is engineering, some of it's the material that's being used to clad the wall. So vertical Z-girts, for example, that align with the steel studs may work structurally, but they can reduce the overall thermal performance of the wall system due to the continuous contact of the thermally conductive materials. And then horizontal girts, they can offer better thermal performance, but they can create some additional concerns for air and water movement. So we can summarize the thermal performance section with this example. So if we take a look at the first column on the left, the insulation thickness, that would be a mineral wool insulation. And we could use the 4-inch mineral wool as an example. So out of the box, it has a nominal R value of about 16.8. When combined with vertical stainless steel girts that are 16 inches on center, we would note then that the wall has an effective R value of about 10.3. So it's quite a reduction due to the thermal conductivity of that vertical Z-girt in continuous contact with the stud behind. We can improve that a little bit by using a horizontal stainless steel subgirt, 16 inches on center. And our effective R value has increased a bit from the previous example of 10.3. Now we're at a 12.2. So switching systems totally and using a clip and rail system that's thermally broken with vertical spacing of 24 inches on center, we can see now that due to the lack of thermal conductivity and the addition of air spaces within the cavity, we can actually get an effective R value of a 17.6 versus the nominal R value of 16.8 for the insulation alone.